A very good morning to all the students. Welcome back to maths class. We are now going to study about LCM, that is least common multiple. The least common multiple, that is LCM of the given number, is the smallest number that is divisible by each of the given numbers. Now we will understand this definition with the help of an example. Find the LCM of 60 and 48. What we will do is prime factorize 60 and prime factorize 48. When we prime factorize 60, we get 60 in the form of 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. For 48, we will get the prime factors as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Now let us consider each prime number in these multiplications. Now for the 48 number, we have prime number 2 4 times. So for LCM, we will write 2 as 4 times. In the number 60, we have 3 only once. So after you write 2 4 times, we will write 3 once. And you can see 5 also we will write it as once. Now in 60 you have 2 into 2. But that 2 into 2 is common because in 48 there are 4 times 2. So LCM now becomes 4 times we'll multiply by 2, 3 we'll multiply once, and 5 we'll multiply once. And now the LCM is 10 into 24, that is 240. So the LCM of two set of numbers which are 68 and 48 is 240. Another example to drill in how LCM works out. Find the LCM of 18, 30 and 50. 18 can be written as 2 into 9, which can be written as 2 into 3 into 3. 30, 2 into 15, which can be further written as 2 into 3 into 5. 50 can be written as 2 into 25, which further can be written as 2 into 5 into 5. Now 2, 3, 5 are the prime numbers that occur in the multiplication above. Now 2 is common in all the three numbers, so we'll write 2 once. 3 occurs 2 times, so we'll write 2. And 5 occurs 2 times, so we'll write 5. Now when you multiply, 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 25s are 450. So the LCM of 18, 30 and 50 is 450. As we have studied HCF by horizontal and vertical arrangement, now we will study LCM by vertical arrangement. It is exactly same like the HCF, but for LCM we have to use the uncommon numbers also. The rules are written on the page. I will just explain you how the sums are. Now we'll find the LCM for 16, 28 and 40. Now 2 is common for 16. So 2 8s are 16, 28, 2 14s are 28, 2 20s are 40. For the next line 8, 14, 20, again a 2 is common. 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14, 2 10s are 20. Again in the next line 4, 7 and 10. But 2 is common only for 4 and 10. So 2 2s are 4, 7 will be written as it is, and 2 5s are 10. Now you can see the common factors are written at the end of the sum on the left hand side, 2 into 2 into 2, whereas the uncommon factors are written at the bottom of the sum, 2 into 7 into 5. So now the LCM will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 5. We can say that LCM is a product of common and uncommon factors. So LCM for 16, 28 and 40 is 560. We will now learn how to find LCM. Earlier I told you the vertical arrangement, you can leave the uncommon factors at the end, or to understand or to solve it more easily, to avoid confusion, we will end the sum till we get 1 as the quotient. For example, I'll tell you 12, 15. Now for 12 and 15, 3 is a common factor. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. 4 and 5 do not have anything in common. So 5 1s are 5. You will keep 4 down as it is. Again for 4, 4 1s are 4. Now at the end you get 1 as the quotient. Why we will use this method? Because sometimes children will make confusion which numbers to take. Now when you get 1 at the end, that means the remaining numbers to the left hand side of the sum will be the LCM. You can see here the LCM for 12 and 15, 3 into 5 into 4. So 3 5s are 15, 15 4s are 16. LCM of 12 and 15 is 60. Next sum 6, 8 and 10. Now the common factors for 6, 8 and 10 is 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Now 3, 4, 5. All the three set of numbers in the next line do not have anything in common. So we begin with 3. 3 1s are 3, 4 and 5 will be written as it is. Then we'll begin with 4. 4 1s are 4, 5 will be written as it is, and then again 5 1s are 5, 5 will be written as it is. Now you can see at the end of the sum we have got 1. So the LCM now is 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. 2 3s are 6, 4 5s are 20. 6 into 20 is 120. Now same here, 18 and 32. Now the common factors for 18 and 32 is 2. 2 9s are 18, 2 16s are 32. Now 9 and 16 do not have any common factor. So 9 1s are 9, 16 will be taken down as it is. Again then 16 1s are 16. Now the LCM for this set of number is 2 into 9 into 16. 2 9s are 18, 18 into 16 is equal to 288. So LCM of 18 and 32 is 288. Similarly, now the next sum you see 10, 15, 20. Again 10, 15, 20, 2 5s are 10. But 15 is not divisible by 2. So 15 will be written as it is. 2 10s are 20. Now 5 and 15, they are common in table of 5. So 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15 and 5 2s are 10. 1, 3 and 2, nothing is common. So 2 1s are 2, 3 you will take it down. Again only 3, so 3 1s are 3. Now the end of the sum you have got 1. So the LCM now will be 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. Now 45 and 86. 45 and 86 have only one common in them. They are co-prime numbers. When we have to find the LCM of co-prime numbers, it will always be the product of the two numbers. So 45 into 86 is going to give you 3870. Now another example, 15, 30, 90. Now 15, 30, 90, you can take 2 15s are 30. 15 is not divisible in 2, but 30 and 90 are divisible by 2. So you will take 15 down as it is. 2 15s are 30, 2 45s are 90. Now 3 is common, 3 5s are 15 and then 3 15s are 45. Then you have 2 5s over there. 5 1s are 5 3s are 15. And then next line only 3 is there. 3 1s are 3. Again we have got the end of the sum as 1. So now the LCM can be 2 into 3 into 5 into 3. So LCM is now 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 5s are 90. Another example, 105 and 195. Since in the units place you have 5, you can either begin with 5, but to be more convenient we begin with the smallest prime number. Since it is not divisible by 2, we begin with 3. For 105, 3 35s are 105 and 3 65s are 195. 5 7s are 35, 5 13s are 65. Next line you see 7 and 13. So 7 1s are, 13 will be taken down as it is, then 13 1s are. When you get the end as 1, that means the LCM is 3 into 5 into 7 into 13. 3 5s are 15. Then 13 7s are 91. 15 into 91 will give you 1 3 6 5. The next sum 12 15 45. Now 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 15s are 45. Again we'll take 2 here, 2 2s are 4, 5 will be written as it is, 15 will be taken down. Again 2 1s are 2, 5 and 15 will be taken down. 3 5s are 15, 5 will be taken down, and then 5 1s are 5. Now you can see the end is 1 1 1. That means now the LCM is 2 into 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 9s are 36. 36 into 5 is 180. Now another example, 63 81. Now 3 is common for 63 and 81. 3 21s are 63, 3 27s are 81. Next line you can see 21 27. Again it is divisible by 3. 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are 27. 7 and 9, now 3 3s are 9. 7 will be taken down. Again 3 is there, 3 1s are 3. And 7 will be taken down. Again 7 1s are 7. So the end is 1. Now the LCM is 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7, which is going to give you 567. The next sum 18 36 27. Now 18 and 36, 2 is common, so we begin with 2. 2 9s are 18, 2 18s are 36. 27 will be taken down. Next line you see 9 18 27. 2 9s are 18. 9 and 27 will be taken down. Then 3 3s are 9 and 3 9s are 27. Again 3 3 9. 3 1s are 3. Again 9, 3 3s are 9, 1 1 3. So 3 1s are 3. So in the end you are getting 1 1 1. So the LCM now is 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3. So LCM of 18 36 27 is 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3. 2 2s are 4, and then 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 27 into 4 is 108. I hope I am clear with the concept of LCM, and you will be able to calculate the LCM. A small assignment: find the LCM for the following set of numbers. 5 sums are there. If books are available, you solve it in book, or you write it in a sheet of paper and file it. Thank you. Be safe and stay at home. Thank you.